Welcome to Hyundai of Cookeville, everybody. My name is Alex Shoemake. I'm one of the senior sales representatives here at the store. I'm going to give you a little overview about the new all-redesigned 2020 Sonata. Vehicle is taking on new shape this year in 2020. The old body style is kind of out the door now. They added a bunch of new safety features, standard as well. This one in particular is going to be the SEL Plus, so it's a little bit nicer of a package. It's got remote keyless entry, all standard new safety features, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, leading vehicle departure warning, blind spot safety, rear cross traffic alert. It's got everything. Pretty much, if you have the option to get it, it's got it. So we'll take a peek on the inside a little bit. This one here actually has leather bolsters, so it's partial leather seats. Both seats are dual power. All new dash redesign. They brought back the fluidic sculpture in the vehicle, all new curves and lines. So if you take a look, you look at the premium wheels, they're alloy wheels, two different colors. Silver with the black inlays, which is a very nice feature as well. If you come here, it's got a 1.6 liter turbocharged engine in it. It's got 180 horsepower and 195 foot-pounds of torque. It is a smart stream cycle engine, so it's a new design, new patent for Hyundai in 2020. And I'll take a peek under the hood to show you a little bit about it. As you can see, guys, here's under the hood of the new 2020 Sonata. Like I said, it is that smart stream 1.6 liter turbo gasoline direct injected engine. From the front of the vehicle to the back of the firewall, it has 13 crumple zones to absorb impact more efficiently. It does have breakaway motor mounts, so if you ever do get on a head-on collision, the motor and transmission is designed to break away and fall underneath the vehicle, so it doesn't come through the firewall and entrap you in the car. With that being said, you shouldn't have these issues because of the forward collision avoidance and automatic emergency braking feature as well. So we're here, I'm going to talk a little bit about the new LED daytime running lights on the new body style. As you can see, they do come down around the bottom of the lens frame, and they actually made the chrome stripping of the LED daytime running lights fade into the chrome trim of the vehicle that runs along the body line. So it's pretty neat. Let me turn the lights off so you kind of have a perspective of what I'm talking about here. So as you can see, it does look like it is one solid chrome piece, but the LED lights are actually inlaid in that feature. So here we're going to talk about the rear of the vehicle, the new body design. As you can see, it's got the full taillight bar across the back of the trunk, and it also has the shark fin tail lights up top as well. You got a new inlaid backup camera, so it's a very sleek design. And the trunk button is pretty neat too, because it's kind of hidden from everybody. So if you notice here, it is actually integrated into the Hyundai symbol on the back of the trunk. So if you push this button here, it will also open the trunk for you as well. As you notice, it's still got a ton of trunk space, even though it's a more sleek, sporty design this year. It's got rear safety features as well. So if you're backing out of a parking spot, your garage, or no matter where it may be, out of your driveway, when you're backing up, it's got low frequency radar systems in each rear quarter panel. It will actually shoot low frequency radar off of each side of the vehicle, 45 feet, and it will tell you in your backup camera in the vehicle if anything is coming. So that way you avoid collision in that aspect of it as well. So as you notice, it is a little sportier of a design. So some people kind of think you may lose space. If you notice the back seat, you still got a ton of space, still got a bunch of headroom and space for your knees. You also do have the hard back seats, so nobody's kicking you to death. It kind of gets annoying if you got kids or traveling sometimes. Aside from that, all the leather bolsters, they do have the red inlaid stitching on them as well, which is a nice feature. It gives it a little more of a sporty aspect too. And in the rear, you no longer have just the standard outlet plug. They usually plug in your plug and then plug your charger to. It's actually got a standard USB charging port, so you don't have to have the box as well, which is a nice feature. If you notice, I'll kind of take a seat in here to give you an idea of just how much room you still have. Amazing, got plenty of knee room, got plenty of headroom, and I'm right at about 6 feet tall, so you can still travel long distances comfortably. Okay, so now on the interior of the vehicle, I'll talk about a few of the features. If you notice, it does have a D-cut sports steering wheel with paddle shifters as well. So it does have a manual automatic transmission. It's 8-speed Shiftronic. It is shift by wire, so all you got to do is push a button. It also has heated seats, and it's pretty cool. It's all projected digitally, so you can set those features as well. There's 3-stage. Your temperature control is automatic. It also has digital displays as well. They have a new floating screen design, which increases visibility over the front of the vehicle. It has automatic running lights. It's got awesome safety features. That lane keep assist that I had touched on briefly before, it will actually keep you in the center of your lane. It also has the adaptive cruise control, so it will keep you that distance from the vehicle in front of you. If something happens to pull out and you don't see it, it has the forward collision avoidance. It will also assist you with stopping in that aspect as well. You have 3-stage drive mode down here in the middle. I can change that to Smart, Normal, Sport, or Custom. Custom, you could customize your shift points in your transmission, and in Smart, it will also adapt to your driving habits depending upon where you're at and how you're driving. It also has a couple cool little new tech features in it. If you notice, there is a little pad down here in the center console. If I set my phone on that pad, it will start to charge wirelessly. It's called IQ charging technology, which is something that Hyundai debuted in 2019. They integrated it into the 20 models as well. But with that being said, that kind of wraps up my overview on the 2020 Sonata, and I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, come see me.